Okay, there we go. So, hello guys, welcome back to another video. So this is my second video. So we are back at KiriMandalaMW PT1. We're on the other side of the crossing. If you don't see a train, that's fine. Let's just see the crossing until the train comes. So this is the crossing, so we're on the other side. So we've got a car in there. So I don't know where the train's gonna come in. Maybe going to Abhisawala and coming back from Abhisawala all the way back to Narayan Peter.
Move towards this side, you're blocking the road.
Okay, so I'm going to show you. Mama, say hello.
Hi. Don't put me.
So let's see where the train's gonna come.
Don't upload that. Because a dirty lorry also. Not very nice. It's not a nice video.
Okay, I'm not going to show that much of the lorry. Okay, I'm just going to turn. I wonder if the guard one is here. I wonder if the guard person's here.
No, it's close. I told you the guard room is close.
No, I think we just can't see him.
The guard room is closed. There are no trains coming on this line today because there are no office trains because it's closed, you know. The government closed all the offices. Only down Call Road there will be trains going.
Let's just see.
Yeah, but can you see the guard room closed?
Yes, but maybe we just can't.
Line, there are no trains today.
Or maybe we just can't see him.
No, it's all come. My man.
Oh, there we go. Look,
Who is operating it? Maybe somewhere else.
The train's now coming.
Oh, there, that guard is there. Look.
Yes. Oh.
Can you see? You want to go close?
No, it's okay. Okay, so the trains are now coming. Is it coming from that side? Is it coming from that side or that side? I don't know. Definitely.
I think it's coming from the left, not the right.
That side?
Yeah, right.
Oh, right. Oh, it's coming from that side. That side.
Left, it's coming from the left.
Yes, I know. And there it goes. Okay. So there goes the train. And there it goes. Okay. So that was it for today's video. Thank you guys for make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. So bye.